Hi, my name is Gail and I teach people how to use essential oils. You and I met at some point, I would imagine. That's why you're on my email list. Maybe you met me at a vendor event or found me online, or maybe you just randomly found me online. But that's what I do. If you know me at all, you know that's what I am all about. And I have classes all the time to help people also learn how to use essential oils. But I have come to find that classes are difficult for people to get to. Either it doesn't work for their schedule, or they just really don't feel like it, or maybe I don't live in a convenient place to them. So I've developed something new. It's called the Essential Oil Experience. And you can get a little better glimpse at that. What is the Essential Oil Experience? Is that something you might be interested in? Well, you know what? It's a chance for you to try some essential oils at my cost. So for $10, you will get 3 amazing rollerball blends. There's one called Breathe, and there's one called Energy, and there's also one called Sleep. These are things that everybody could use a little help with now and then. These blends are filled with some of the oils from our starter kit. You'll also get this cute little bag with a few extra samples. There's one of Valor and Peace and Calming in here. All of this together will come at my cost. My cost to you is only $10, and that's what it cost me to put this together. So it's a pretty cool deal. These are refillable roller balls too, so you get a little bit of a long lasting value in there. What else do you get with it? You get 14 different videos, short videos of me explaining to you safety, sourcing, how we source our oils, what sets our stuff apart, and a lot of uses for our essential oils. However, you cannot buy that little pack unless you agree to let me send you 14 short videos. You'll get 6 of them a week. I take Sunday off. So it's about a little over 2.5 weeks worth of content. And then we're done. And if you are interested in learning more, you'll let me know that. Does that sound good to you? If it does, please let me know and I will get you set up. I will either get it to you or I can ship it to you for an extra shipping fee of $2. I am high on education and low on pressure. You won't get a bunch of pressure from me, but you will learn an awful lot. I've had a few people that have gone through this and the feedback has been great. They loved it. So I think you'll enjoy it. You can't go wrong, right? All right, let me know. Thanks. Bye.